Hi friend, it is me Ram Lama, and in this video I'll be helping you to reset your forgotten password or username. And I have been getting this message from the student that they have forgot their username or they don't know their password. And I hope that most of you know your email ID that you had given to KIT, and I know you won't be forgetting that email ID. So it is like if you don't forget your email ID, then you don't have to panic that you have forgotten your password or username. It is very much easy to recover. You just what you have to do, you have to go to kitseminar.org, and once you go there, you'll get this uh, dashboard. Like you have to put username and password. If you have forgotten your username, no problem. If you have forgotten your password, also no problem. You can just reset it again. What you have to do, you'll have here one option. It says forgotten your username or password. Just click on that. Okay, once we click, it says like search by username, and I know if you have forgotten your username, then it will be problematic for you, but don't worry, you have got another option, search by email address. So I hope you know your email address, so you just type your email address. For me, I'll just type my email address. Okay, this is my email address, and let me search it. If I say search, okay, now what it says, if you supply the correct username or email address, then an email should have sent to you. It contains easy instruction to confirm and complete this password change. If you continue to have difficulty, please contact the site administration. Okay, so if you have any problem like changing your password, okay, you can just contact with us. That means like if you have problem like you cannot put the password, the new password, so or you don't get after supplying your the email ID that you had used before in the Moodle, then you have to talk with us, because sometimes we may misspell your email ID, which makes like you don't get any email from our KIT seminary website or the Moodle. So you just have to continue here, just continue and open one tab and go to your Gmail. I have given this Gmail ID. Okay, let me open my Gmail. I think I just close that one. It is taking time, maybe because of internet. Okay, now in my Gmail, as you can see here in the primary, okay, it says admin user by KIT request. Okay, hi Ram. Okay, so already they have sent me an email to reset my password. Okay, just click on this. Okay, so it says Kathmandu Institute Theology password reset request, admin user by KIT Hiram. A password reset was requested for your account R Lama. Okay, this is username. So if you have forgotten your username also, they will just send your username also. My username is R Lama at Kathmandu Institute. Okay, so it says me now to confirm this request and this set a new password for your account. Please go to the following web address. So it says okay, it will last only for 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes, you have to change your password. So click on here. I had clicked on this link, so it says now forgotten password. Arlama is my username. If you have forgotten username also, you can do exactly what I did just before, and you can use here your new passwords. But I don't want to make new password because I already know my password. I haven't forgotten my password, so I don't want to change my password. But for your reference, please, if you've forgotten, you can change here. It is very much easy, and the combination of the password is the password must have at least 8 characters at least one digits, at least one lower case letters, at least one uppercase letters, at least one non-alphanumeric character such as asterisk, okay, dash or asterisk, okay, anything it has to be. So I hope that you are able to reset your password after looking this video. Thank you very much.